Hey, hey, welcome to my closet, my most favorite room in my apartment. So when I was making the decision to move, well, it wasn't a decision, I was moving. I needed to make sure that I had a 2-bedroom because I was for sure going to turn one of the bedrooms into a closet. That has like always been one of the things that I've wanted to do. And when I had the means to do it, I said, let's get it done. So this is my closet room. It is a bedroom that's been converted into a closet. Now, when I first moved here, I didn't want to spend like a bunch of money doing a fancy like California closets, custom closet. I actually had a lot of different conversations with some of those companies. I had them come out, I had them measure. And at the end of the day, I was like, I don't want to spend all of this money on a custom closet because I don't know how much time I'm actually going to spend living here. Like I said in other tour videos, last rental, I'm buying, bitches. I'm buying a house. So when I purchase, then I definitely want to go all out with like my beautiful, beautiful dream closet. But for this closet, it was all about creating something on a budget that can still give me the look and feel of that dream closet without that big investment. So let's start here. Probably in previous videos or photos of me, you have seen this as the shoe shelf. Well, I recently re-merchandised it because I've gotten way more into bags lately. So I wanted to just kind of create like, you know, merchandise it up a bit and mix the bags with the shoes and the accessories. I really like it. You know, the shoe wall had an impact, but you can always change it back, and this is kind of working for me. So literally, these little brackets and this, these brackets are from IKEA. This little, like, I don't even know what you call this, like, I don't know what you call it, but they're pieces of wood that are white. Those are from Home Depot, and these were spray painted gold. Dirt cheap, folks, dirt cheap. So this just looks, you know, to me, just fantastic on a budget, and then I merchandise it up. So like I said, getting way into bags. So this is a new addition since the last video I've done about my bag collection. Actually, this also is, and this, and this, I've gotten way into bags. And of course, I'm always into shoes. Throw little books in there, you know, just to make it look like an environment that you want to spend some time in. So over here, same shelf situation, just a bigger piece of mystery wood. I'm sure everyone will jump in the comments to tell me what exactly it's called. Same brackets. I just wanted something longer so I can keep my accessories. And this is an area, again, that like I'll re-merchandise again and again. First, it was like, there was just hats here, then there was jewelry, and I've been mixing it up. Now here, this is a pipe. This is what's, I think it's called a galvanized pipe. I think I got the terminology right there. And this is the color that it comes. Again, this is from Home Depot. It's already this kind of black color. And these we just spray painted gold. So this whole bottom shelf is all of my jackets. I am a jacket junkie, for sure. I fully believe that jackets just complete the look. I can wear a plain black t-shirt or a bodysuit and a pair of jeans and put on any of these jackets and completely change the look of my closet. So I'm sure you guys would be upset if I just skipped through and didn't show you a few jackets. So I'll show you a few jackets. My favorite jacket in the whole wide world, which I'm sure you've seen 1,000 times if you follow me, this Dries jacket is the best purchase I think I've ever made in my closet. And if I were told, really, OG, that I could only save like 5 things in my closet, this would be one of them for sure. Another piece that I would save is this Gucci that my grandmother gave to me after she passed away. So this would be like number 1. They're right near each other. I would just grab them both and I would get the hell out of there. So that's a favorite jacket. This jacket, color-wise, doesn't look great on me, but awesome-wise, these are bobby pins. This is a comb. This is the hair jacket, and it fits like a dream. It's just like, it's not my favorite color for me, but if I glam it up with the makeup, I'll be all right. Haven't worn it in a while, but this is one of those collector type of pieces that you don't get rid of. It's Moschino. What other jacket might I show you? Vintage Versace. I think you've seen this on me before. What else? Saint Laurent jacket. I've had a love-hate relationship with this jacket. I love it because it's awesome, but I bought it final sale not knowing which size I should get. It's historically been a little snug in the arms, but recently, so I've been hitting that gym with my trainer, it's been fitting pretty good. So that's a favorite too. So that's the jacket zone. This gets a little messy Marvin from time to time, but my thing is if I can't see it, then I won't wear it. So I'd rather have like an over the top, too many necklaces on the necklace tree, all the bracelets out, and maybe it doesn't look as neat as like this, you know, shelf here. But if I don't see it, I'm not gonna wear it. So these are all my bracelets. And I was just randomly thinking while I was eating lunch, when are bracelets gonna make a comeback? You know, like it's all about the layered necklaces, and like layered rings had a moment, statement necklaces. It's been a while since we've really embraced the arm. Remember arm parties from like way back when? What was that, like 2008, around that era? Since then, bracelets, they need their time to shine. Maybe I'll be the first to restart that trend. These are like my favorite belts, random brooches. This little Balenciaga, or no, that's a Balmain Hermes belt. And then this is my most recent friend, my Chanel, look at her, my Chanel corset. And she just snatches that waist like so. Ooh, she was a good addition. So she just kind of hangs out right there. Up here, at one point when I was on a crop top spree, I was wearing crop tops all the time. You couldn't stop me from wearing a crop top. Now I'm like, all right, let's cover it up. So now I hang my necklaces here because the crop tops were short enough to support this. If I put shirts here, it'd be too long. So now instead I just have some necklaces. These are necklaces that are a little more statement. They're not in everyday rotation. I am a little bit too short to like unclip these. So I have a little stool that I use if I need to get things up high. Speaking of up high, as we go up, I just liked these shelves on top just for kind of display purposes. So shoes that I love but like don't really need to wear very often. Like I'm not an open toe shoe girl, but if I had to go out, you know, I've got a couple up there. Since cutting my hair, I don't wear hats as much, so I moved my favorite hats up there. So it just adds like a little bit more display. Moving right along, IKEA, just a cheap ass IKEA shelf that spray painted gold. If you haven't noticed, I love gold. So here is where like all of my denim is folded below. All of my sweaters are folded because you really don't want to be hanging up sweaters. I'll hang like some really lightweight sweaters because they're not as liable to like get all messed up by the hangers. But these heavy ones, you never want to hang a heavy knit. So those are here. This is my train wreck zone for my sunglasses. I've recently, again, like kind of due to the haircut, I've been wearing a lot more sunglasses. So I've been like hoarding sunglasses. I got my Saint Laurent. My Instagram fam helped me pick these out. Thank you. Follow me on the gram. These I love. These little Gentle Monster by Tilda Swinton. Her little capsule for them. Love those. So in a future video, I'll be tackling this situation here, but that's where the sunglasses live. More accessories, teeny tiny bags. You know, I just like to try to make it interesting. More bags. This is my Stella McCartney Swan. There's a few bags here which don't get a lot of play. This Givenchy is kind of old school. I'm thinking of taking this and getting it dyed red because I discovered about myself, I don't carry this color bag. I'm too messy. See, it's already got little spots on it. So I'm gonna get this dyed either black or red, probably red. I have enough black bags in my life. Okay, now down here, this is my little like center poof region. Some days it looks cute. Some days it's just has a big pile of clothes on it. Some days it's Yoji's bed. But whenever I'm in here creating looks for myself or for video shoots or whatever, I like to have a zone. So tea, you know I love my tea. So I got a little tea set. I might put a bag out here, some magazines to get inspired by, and definitely my iPad. I watch a lot of Netflix when I'm in my closet. Now, this friend right here, this rack is ugly, okay? It doesn't look good in here, that I know, but this rack has a very distinct purpose. You'll usually find some sort of empty rack in this room. I can also move it out into the hall if it were like getting in my way, but it's fine. This is where I set up all of my outfits for the coming weeks. So I always, you know, pop on a little stand-up on Netflix. Usually I'll watch some Dave Chappelle, some Kevin Hart. I like to watch things I've already seen so I don't have to pay attention. I can just laugh and have a good time in the background. And I'll just style up and try different outfits. And when I have them here, I avoid the struggle of coming in to the closet and saying like, what am I gonna wear? I can go here and say, this is Givenchy tracksuit type of day with a lot of gold necklaces. Or maybe I'm going out on a date that night and I'm like, cool, I already have a date outfit ready to go. So I like to have this kind of like working rack area. And if you have my Style Solution book, you know how big I am on creating your own lookbook, and that book has a lookbook template. So I will photograph, I'll just take selfies right in the mirror, and outfits that were a hit, I'll print them out and put it in that book so I'll remember for later to try that outfit again. So this is like a lot of outfits. This is a couple weeks worth because you never know what kind of mood you're in, right? So that's what that is. Over here, back to the like designed area, this rack my handyman made for me. I found the directions on Pinterest and I said, here, go to Home Depot and make this rack. So again, it's just the pipe, it's some wood that I covered with reusable wallpaper at the bottom. I try usually to keep the bottom empty, but since I rejigged the shoe shelf, it meant all the shoes can't fit there. So there happens to be a little dumping ground of shoes right below, but it's not a big deal. Right now it's summer, so all those boots, I don't need to access them, so they're fine being down there. Sneakers, it's fine. So in this rack here, this is just all of my shirts and dresses. So I do crop tops, tank tops, bodysuits, short sleeve, move into long sleeve, all my sweatshirts. I love sweatshirts. Here's my new favorite sweatshirt. My Fendi sweatshirt that desperately needs a lint roller, but whatever. And then I've got dresses here, which I really need. Like, I have dresses that somebody take me out. Take this girl out so she can wear a dress like this. This is something that every time I clean up my closet, I'm tempted to get rid of because I don't wear it very often. But it's nice to have a party dress in your closet in case you last minute get invited to something fabulous and don't want to stress out buying something new. So this is like that dress. I wore it to a movie premiere once. I will wear it again. So yeah, dress is there, and then in a rack in which you cannot fully see, I've got, you know, shorts, and I've got pants, and I've got jumpsuits and a few other jackets, and of course more shoes on the bottom. And then these top areas, again, I styled these out. Hats, bags, shoes. It just kind of makes this feel like a lovely store. You know, like you want to feel good when you come in your closet because it's going to help you get excited about getting dressed. And even if you didn't have a big room like this, there are ways that you can make your closet feel very boutique-y. So that was just really important to me. And it didn't cost a lot of money. Literally, Home Depot, IKEA, Home Depot, this closet, literally putting together all of these pipes and shelves on the wall, the materials were under $150. And then I paid my handyman, you know, whatever, a couple $100 to come over and put this shit together. It's like a no-brainer. So over here, just another bookshelf. I found this at Home Goods. It's an Adler knockoff. Sorry, Jonathan. I buy your stuff, but not all of it. If I can find it for less, I'm getting it. But, you know, it's not fully styled, but I've got bags, I've got shoes. It just makes everything really easy to see. So that's the closet. Make sure you have a full-length mirror. I can't show you the mirror because then you're going to see Nick shooting video and he's not going to like that. But you've got to have a full-length mirror in your closet. I've got one in the corner with a cute little rug at the bottom that Yoji is currently sleeping on. Oh, speaking of Yoji, he's got another dog bed. So every room in the house, there's like dedicated Yoji space. Not the bedroom. That's because he thinks he owns a place and that bed is practically his. But when I'm getting dressed in the morning, he's sleeping right there in the bed, cheering me on to make sure I put on a fabulous outfit. So that is my closet. Thank you so much for coming on this little home tour. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about the way that I styled something or where I got something, drop it in the comment section below. I'll try my best to answer in a timely fashion. No promises, I just try my best, okay? So thank you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video.
Lauren Messiah.
So I'm Lauren Messiah. Hello. Here I took a oversized Dodgers jersey, which is for a man.
Yeah.
Put a belt over it and some
that.
heels. We have just brought sexy back.
Yes, you have.
To the Dodgers. So, you know.
I mean, the Puig jersey has never looked so good.
Like this.